In this video, you will learn how to use Grammarly to check AI content for plagiarism. Open Grammarly and log in. Visit the Grammarly website and open the desktop app. Log in with your account. This could be free or premium. Create a new document. Click on New or open an existing file where you want to paste the AI generated content. Paste your AI generated text. Copy the text that you want. Paste it into the Grammarly editor. Enable the plagiarism detection. Plagiarism detection is only available with Grammarly Premium subscriptions. Look for the plagiarism icon at the bottom right of the editor. Run the plagiarism check. Check the plagiarism button. Grammarly will scan the text with billions of web pages and academic sources. Review the results. If any matches are found, Grammarly will highlight them and show you the original source. Use the feedback to revise and cite the content properly. Now you know how to use the Grammarly to check AI content for plagiarism. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.